Hello learners, welcome to the course on data warehousing and data mining. A data warehouse is a subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant and non-volatile collection of data in support of management's decision-making process. Data mining, on the other hand, is the process of discovering patterns, anomalies, and correlations within large data sets to extract meaningful and actionable information. Data warehousing is a logical extension of DBMS, whereas data mining can be considered as a logical extension of artificial intelligence. Now, why should we study DWDM? Data warehousing combines data from multiple sources into one unified system. It also makes data consistent, accurate, and easy to access. And they are the foundations for business intelligence tools and are used in reporting, dashboards, and key performance indicators. It also allows us to store enormous volumes of historical data, and that enables trend analysis and as well as long-term planning. It involves data cleaning, transformation, and integration in order to improve the overall quality of analytics. Finally, it speeds up complex queries and reporting that would be slow or impossible on transactional systems. Moving on to data mining helps us to discover patterns, relationships, and trends that are not immediately obvious on first glance. The importance of data mining is that it enables forecasting future events using predictive analytics with techniques like classification, regression, and clustering. Its other advantages are that it helps in informed decision making, it gives a competitive advantage for a company over others, and the best thing is that the algorithms, techniques, and tools are applicable across all industries, and this is just the beginning. Let us now look at some use cases of data mining. Data mining is used in customer relations management, fraud detection, customer segmentation into pro and anti, something like that, research analysis, market basket analysis, forecasting and predictive analysis, and finally risk management. Similarly, there are several use cases of data warehouses, starting with the customer experience optimization, supply chain management, unified view of data, regulatory compliance, predictive analytics using data mining, of course, marketing, healthcare, e-commerce, human resources, manufacturing, and education. Let us now take a look at the course learning outcomes. On completion of this course, we should be able to design multidimensional models and pre-processing strategies for data warehouse applications. We should be able to apply frequent pattern mining techniques on data sets for association rules extraction. The third outcome is that we should be able to analyze the efficiency of classification algorithms, and finally we should be able to evaluate clustering techniques and design data mining applications on web and financial domains. Let us now take a look at the course contents. In Unit 1, we discussed data warehouse and data pre-processing. In Unit 2, we introduced data mining and association rule mining. In Unit 3, we move on to classification and advanced classification. And finally, in Unit 4, we look at cluster analysis and some data mining trends. The textbook prescribed for this course is Han and Camber, Data Mining Concepts and Techniques, 3rd edition, Kaufman Publishers. Our reference books are Anahori and Murray, Data Warehousing in the Real World, Pearson Education. The second reference book is CSR Prabhu, data warehousing and concepts, techniques, products and applications. Second edition, Prentice Hall. And the third reference book is Arun K. Pujari, Data Mining Techniques, second edition, University Press.
Now let's look at the drill. We will have classwork for 7 weeks followed by mid-semester examinations. Again classwork for 7 weeks followed by mid-semester examinations 2 followed by end semester examinations. In each spell of classwork we also have an assignment, a minor, a course patent, a course project and a course research paper to complete. Our classroom activities shall primarily have classroom discussion where I will lead the discussion, self-learning where you will lead the discussion, tutorials where we will try to take up some problems in the topics that have been discussed in the previous week, and finally some presentations on course related research papers. The resources you would require for this course are first and foremost the textbook. Make sure you go through it after every class. The course webpage will have notes pertaining to all the classes including SLT sessions, and please do register self-learning courses, and you can also ask me at any time if you have any doubts. Please do ask me in class or mail me to ak.csn@kitsw.ac.in. You can also contact me on phone at 9290-200-204. Please make sure to check your timetables along with the classroom numbers. Happy learning. Let's meet in class.